Hello and good morning. I hope you've been keeping well after the lockdown and the one zoned area. Uh, I trust you are doing everything to keep yourselves safe, and also those who are still not able to work from home are enforcing the MOH protocols in their workplaces to reduce or the same eliminate uh, the contracting the COVID-19 virus. It's been a long time, and as usual, this is Job Amutabi on the Amutabi Safety Channel. Today, we start a series of very short videos just to look into the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 2007, revised. As you may be aware, the document has been going a lot of improvements. We started with the workplace, the Factories and Other Workplaces Act of 1979 before we had a comprehensive act, which is the OSHA Act 2007, that is Occupational Safety and Health Act 2007. What you just need to know is that companies in Kenya are required to comply with all safety acts. So this could be depending on your business from the Occupational Safety and Health Act, the Environmental Management and Coordination Act. It could be the Kenya Civil Aviation Authorities Act, Kenya Airports Authorities Act. So there are several acts that you need to make sure you are aware of in order to run safety in your company. Of course, the documents are huge. We may not go through everything, but we will strive to have short videos to look at specific issues that are raised in this act. So today, we will look at the General Register. So in the Occupational Safety and Health Act, every organization in Kenya is required to keep a general register. Do you know what this document is? If not, then you need to download your copy of the Occupational Safety and Health Act of 2007, revised, and then you need to look at the miscellaneous provisions in Part 14, Section 122, Clause 1. That is where you need to have a general register. Now, a general register is a prescribed book from the Directorate of Occupational Safety and Health, which has to be kept in the workplace uh, for recording various important issues that are related to safety in the workplace. So, if I can just read for you the extract in 122, subsection 1, there shall be kept in every workplace a register in the prescribed form called the General Register, and there shall be entered in or attached to that register. So you see, the law doesn't give you an option. It tells you there shall be kept a general register in the workplace. So where do you get this register? It is bought from the Directorate of Occupational Safety and Health. And once you have it, you need to store the following according to the Act. So we'll go to Clause A, the certificate of registration of the workplace. So whenever you register your workplace with DOSH, that certificate has to be attached to the general register. So that is requirement number 1. Requirement number 2, any other certificate issued by DOSH, that is the Directorate of Occupational Safety and Health, must be attached to this general register. Any other certificate issued by DOSH. Clause C, any particulars, and this is very interesting, any particulars in your workplace as related to washing, whitewashing, color washing, painting, or varnishing of the workplace. Did you know that? That whenever you paint your workplace, you must record it in the general register. Whenever you varnish, whenever you whitewash, all these particulars need to be added in the general register. We go to clause number D, prescribe particulars of every accident and injuries or cases of occupational diseases occurring in the workplace. So, as you know, any injury, any accident that occurs in the workplace must be registered in the general register, and you have to notify the area occupational safety and health officer from DOSH through a prescribed form that is attached to the Occupational Safety and Health Act. So the duration of that varies for injuries For fatalities, it's within 24 hours. For other injuries, within 7 days. So you need to adhere to those timelines. But remember, every incident must be reported to the area occupational safety and health officer. All reports, that is clause E, all reports and particulars required by any provision of this act to be entered or kept. So they say any other reports that should be entered or kept in this, as prescribed by this act. Those reports could be like when you are doing repairs on pressure vessels. Any major repairs on pressure vessels or the safety valves of boilers and all these things, all the particulars of maintenance must be entered in the general register. So note that any plant and equipment major repairs that are done, gas cylinders, pressure vessels, air receivers, they must be entered in the general register for inspection by DOSH. Then, of course, there is a general clause on such other matters as may be prescribed. This means you need to keep on looking at any revisions to the clause and ensure any additions are put in the general register. And of course, there is also a clause on how long the general register shall be kept in the workplace. So the law that is in still under miscellaneous provisions of that is 14 clause 120 clause 123 1, it says you shall keep the general register for 3 years. 3 years. So that is all for today. Please appraise yourself with this information and ensure that every workplace has a general register and all the particulars are entered, and ensure that every accident and incident is reported to DOSH so that if they want to inspect or they want to keep statistics of accident, they are able to easily access that information. My name is Job. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.